Run. Let's try out an integral question, which is modified from the 2024 HSC Extension 1 problem. So this question is about an integration question with a fraction and also power of e. This question gives us a hint. The u is equal to e to the power of x plus 2e to the negative x. As we don't know what to do with this substitution, as usual, we just do the du with respect to x, which should be du equal to e to the power of x minus 2e to the power negative x by chain rule. Now, we still didn't see anything we can do with the du or the u in this question. So let's take a look at the question. Here, in the numerator, we see this one is a nice format of difference of two squares, while the denominator is a format of quadratics in e to the power of 2x. But we found that this one is not be able to factorize in a nice format, so we will be focusing on the numerator first. That will be giving us equals to the integral of e to the power of 2x minus 2 times e to the power of 2x plus 2, and still keep the same as the denominator. Now, if we take a look, still we cannot see anything we can do with the u and the du. But if we look at the coefficients, positive 1 and positive 2, positive 1 and positive 2, positive 1 and negative 2, positive 1 and negative 2. So it seems like we can do some factorization to match with the u and du. That's why now we are going to take out, first of all, I do the first part, that is take out the e to the power of x, so that it will become e to the power of x minus 2e to the power negative x. Also, I take out e to the power of x as well. So the next bracket, which will give us e to the power of x plus 2e to the power negative x. And of course, we still get the same denominator. Now, we see that the blue part and the red part actually quite similar to what we have about the u and the du. So right now, we can do some substitution about this part, which give us, first of all, the integral. This will become e to the power of 2x, because we're combining the two parts. And the blue one will become the du. Okay, of course, we still keep the dx here, become the blue one. And the red one will just become u. So we just put the u about here. Okay, and now there are the e to the power of 2x. On top, we still want the e to the power of 2x on bottom. So that's why we will be doing something look like this way. Maybe I put the du outside, seems like a better one. Du. And then we move a bit in the middle. So that's right now we have take out the e to the power of 2x. Then we have 4e to the power negative 2x plus x plus e to the power of 2x. Now, the e power of 2x can be cancelled, and we find that the denominator, this expression, what can you see? E to the power of 2x, e to the power of 2x, with e to the power of x, and then 2e to the power of x. Anything we can see? Is this something about the power of 2? Right, then that means we can make this one happen, think about in this way. This will give us the u squared is equal to e to the power of 2x plus 4 plus 4e to the power of 2x. As you can see, the two AB term in the middle, this one and this one will be simplified as 1. That's why we give us as 4 in the middle. Now, we see that this plus 4, this plus x, then that means we can change this one become integral of u squared plus 4 and then u and du. Now, we see in this format, that is, the degree of numerator is 1 less than the denominator, meaning that we can do one more step. That is to make this one become u squared plus 4. And then if we put this one as du squared plus 4, as you know, this one actually is equal to du squared plus 4 is 2u du. That means if we are going to make this one happen, we need to compensate with a 1 over 2 outside, so that this one will be replaced by 1 on top. Okay, now the final part. If happen this way, then that means we are going to have 1 over 2 ln the u square plus 4 with absolute value plus c. This is just a simple one. And finally, we replace the u squared plus 4. And what's that? Let's go back. The u squared plus 4 actually is our denominator, right? So we will change back this one, become 1 over 2 ln with e to the power of 4x, and then plus 8 plus the 4e to the power of, okay, wait for a second, u square, oh, sorry, not the denominator directly, should be this one. So it should be e to the power of 2x plus x plus 4e to the power of 2x plus c. And this one will give us the final conclusion of this integral. Of course, you can still do some more simplification about the middle parts, but this one basically is not necessary to handle anymore. So this will be our final conclusion for this integral question. Have a nice day.